APA Goldfarb, if you want to step to the podium, I'll have you introduce yourself. I'll proceed with the charges and then have you make your statement.
Yeah, Sergeant Taylor, Radio Blair. Okay, thank you.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
is that probable cause, Judge King? Probable cause conference is Judge King?
No, Judge King, yeah, that's the next judge.
Probable cause?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Calling case number 15-56881, the people of the state of Michigan versus Michelle Angela Blair. Ms. Blair is charged in this case, count 1, child abuse, first degree. Felony, life or any term of years. Count 2, child abuse, first degree. Felony, life or any term of years. Count 3, child abuse, first degree. Felony, life or any term of years. Count 4, child abuse, first degree, life or any term of years. Count 5, child abuse, first degree, committed in the presence of another child. Felony, life or any term of years. State your name, please. Thank you. Counsel?
Karen Goldfarb, Your Honor, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney, appearing on behalf of the people.
Thank you. Ms. Blair, do you understand the charges and maximum penalties if you're found guilty of the charges in this matter? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, whether orally or in writing, can be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney and have your attorney present at all questioning of you. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at public expense. I'm entering a not guilty plea on your behalf. Your next date in this case is a probable cause conference date. That is at 8:30 a.m., April 2nd, Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. And that will be before Judge King. Your next date is for examination, April the 9th, 2015, 9 a.m., Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. Officer, any holds on Ms. Blair? Any holds, Officer, on Ms. Blair?
3 holds on the 36 days.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes. Okay. All right. I've been reminded by the clerk, thank you very much, that for examination the time is 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. April the 9th, because it has status of child abuse case. All right. Ms. Goldfarb.
Yes, Your Honor, the people are requesting a very high cash bond. The court can consider factors beyond those factors that are stated, factors that bear on the possibility of fleeing or the danger to the community. I would indicate to the court that there remains a possibility that Ms. Blair's charges will be increased to murder in the first degree and 2 counts. And I would also indicate to the court that she remains, based on the charges and the information, a danger to this community. I would ask for a very high cash bond. I would ask the court to order that she have no contact with surviving children, no contact with any of their relatives, and no contact with neighbors at the Martin Luther King homes.
Thank you, Ms. Goldfarb. I
think the defendant responded in some way.
Ma'am, I've advised you to maintain your silence. Please do so. Thank you. You want to be able to talk to an attorney without having said anything in this case. Thank you. Thank you, counsel. Certainly the charges in this matter are so heinous that I am going to place the bond at $1 million, cash or surety. I will grant your request to have no contact with the two, as I understand it, two surviving children, and no contact with any relatives, and also no contact with any of the neighbors.
She's gone.
Thank you. Reading my notes. Okay. I was saying, I don't know when you departed, but I was saying that the charges are so heinous that I am ordering, the bond is going to be $100,000 cash or surety. You are to have,
I thought the court said 1 million?
I'm sorry. I said 1 million. I apologize.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I said 1 million or 100,000?
1 million. Sorry, I was trying to remember where I was when she apparently disappeared from the camera. $1 million, cash or surety. And the defendant is to have no contact with the surviving children, no contact with any of the relatives who may have some custody or control of the surviving children, and no contact with any of the neighbors in the King Apartments. Now you may step aside. Thank you. Thank you, counsel. All right, we will stay off the record until the media is out, and then we will continue on. Should have written that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.